Welcome to Power Affirmations from the wisdom of today's success masters. In this video series, we're excited to share with you the powerful affirmations found in James Riddle's extraordinary book. These affirmations aren't just words. They encapsulate the wisdom and frequency signature of nearly 200 of today's most successful individuals. These titans of industry have achieved massive success, and you're about to align yourself with the very energy that made it possible. These affirmations are quite different from the common ones you might have come across, such as, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am powerful, money comes to me easily and effortlessly, etc., etc. Although those affirmations might help you make small progress, like moving 100 feet toward a 1,000-mile goal, they are not nearly as powerful as speaking affirmations directly from the words of the world's most successful people. When you truly connect with the mindset of these individuals, you begin to embody their success, your frequency signature changes, and by the very nature of existence, you become like them. You become drawn to the things that attract them, and the things that are drawn to them begin to be drawn to you. So, prepare yourself to tap into the energy of greatness, espouse the mindset of success, and unlock your full potential. Allow these affirmations to become an integral part of who you are, steering you toward the extraordinary life you dream of. Get ready to change your frequency signature and join the ranks of the world's most successful people. Now let's begin with our next success master, Joyce Meyer. I don't waste my time complaining, fault-finding, or mulling over my problems. My voice was made for solutions. My mind affects my mouth, and my mouth affects my mind. Therefore, I keep my mind fixed on solutions. I remain forever humble, knowing the tremendous mercy that God has shown me. I choose to give that same mercy to others. Every time I look in the mirror, I remember that God created me, and everything He creates is beautiful and good. Spending time with God is the key to my strength and success in every area of my life. He always has first place, and my schedule revolves around Him. I am ever thankful for the grace that God has given me. In His mercy, He doesn't give me what I deserve. In His grace, I get what I don't deserve. I live in the power of God's undeserved favor. I have God's power within me so that I can do exceedingly and abundantly above all that I could do in my own strength. God loves me unconditionally, constantly, and completely. Everything that I set my hand to do is blessed and prospers without fail. God did not fill me with His Spirit so that I could do easy things. He puts His power within me so that I can do the impossible. I place myself completely in God's care. He can take better care of me than I could ever take care of myself. He opens doors for me that I could never open. He closes doors for me to keep me out of trouble. I enjoy His favor and blessing everywhere that I go. From the Wisdom of Success Master, Charlie Munger. I understand that the big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting. I am patient and intelligent. I know exactly when to make my move. Knowing what I don't know is more valuable to me than being brilliant. I am wise in business. I bet heavily when the world offers me that opportunity. I bet big when I have the odds. Through integrity and consistent hard work, I can achieve almost anything. I am a master at my craft. I am self-disciplined, hardworking, and diligent. I practice my craft every single day. I invest and learn despite my experience. I gain experience by practicing, and I get a little better every single time. This is how I become a winner at this game. I am wise to learn through the experience of others. I avoid the pitfalls by paying close attention to my mentors. From the Wisdom of Success Master, Elon Musk. Failure is always an option for me. It is a part of the experimentation process. If I never fail, I am not being innovative enough. I choose to do what is important, even when the odds are against me. I am built to do extraordinary things. When I struggle with a problem, that's when I begin to understand it. I embrace change. I always do what works now, instead of holding on to what worked yesterday. My purpose is to make this world a better place. All of my business revolves around this one purpose. I am always questioning myself. I constantly think about how I can do things better. From the Wisdom of Success Master, Mylett. I accept the responsibility for everything in my life and embrace my power to change it. The comfortable road does not lead me to the person I am destined to become. I accept the difficulties that I face, knowing that I have the power to overcome every obstacle in my way. I embrace the process that leads me to my desired destiny. I complete every task one step at a time. When something doesn't go right, I readjust and run another play. I never stop setting goals and making plans to achieve them, and I never stop taking consistent action on the plans I have made. I don't need motivation in order to put my plans into action. I act regardless of how I feel, and that is why I succeed. I do more than just think the right things. I speak the right things, and I act upon what I say. I have God-sized dreams and the faith to see them realized. When my own knowledge, preparation, and training has reached its limit, God takes over to ensure I have exceedingly and abundantly above all that I ask or think. People respond to my energy much more than my words. They respond to how I make them feel more than what they hear or see. My energy and spirit are what people respond to. From the Wisdom of Success Master, Nichols. I can choose my quality of life by the conversation I choose to entertain in my head. Desire, thought, and action all have to be present for my transformation to occur. I have set my goal and have fixed it in my mind. I refuse to waver or compromise. I must achieve it. I maintain a laser focus on what I can control rather than what I can't. I have more than enough control to play with so that I can make awesome things happen in my life. I love and respect myself enough to stand strong in my truth. I am even willing to tell the hard truths out loud. I know that I am whole and complete regardless of what anyone else thinks of me. Regardless of what lies behind me, today I press reset and fall madly in love with the life that God has given me. I have a sound and healthy relationship with money. No matter how much I have, it does not diminish who I am spiritually. From the Wisdom of Success Master, Earl Nightingale. I enjoy every minute of my life. I choose to be happy now, in this present moment. I don't have to wait for anything in order to be happy right now. I don't have to achieve any goal, have a relationship, or get anything material in order to be happy. Happiness is my choice, and I choose it right now. My time is precious, and I am careful how I spend it. Whether it is at work, with friends, or with family, I savor and enjoy every minute that I am given. I am happiest and at my very best when I am fully engaged in work that I enjoy on my journey toward the goal that I've established for myself. It gives meaning to my time off and brings comfort to my sleep. It makes everything in my life wonderful and worthwhile. I am not afraid of the time it will take me to accomplish my goals. Time will pass away anyway, so I might as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Whatever I plant into my subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become my reality. Every affirmation that I speak is a seed that germinates into my future. All I need in order to have the life that I desire is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to my destination. My world is a living expression of how I am using or have used my mind. You just tapped into the frequency signatures of the most successful people on Earth. The more you listen to these videos, the more your subconscious mind becomes programmed to set you on autopilot to become a success master yourself. What is even more powerful is to read their quotations and speak the affirmations that follow in James Riddle's extraordinary book, Power Affirmations from the Wisdom of Today's Success Masters. Order your copy today and start applying the proven wisdom of the world's top achievers to your own life. This opportunity is right now in front of you. Seize it and become the person that you were born to be. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring videos. Join our community and stay updated on all the latest content.